Hindi po kompleto ang pagdiriwang nating mga kababayan kung walang mga tsibog o walang mga pagkain. Makita nyo sa likod ko, merong satay, may Thai food, may Chinese food, merong Vietnamese food, at syempre, hindi naman magpapahuli ang Filipino food. Kamustahin naman natin kung ano bang makakain ng ating mga kababayan dito sa annual Lunar New Year Festival in Torrance. Kasampung taong pagdiriwang ng LA18 ng Lunar New Year, marami ring mga food booth na nagsilbi ng iba't ibang putahe upang tugunan ng iba't ibang panlasa ng Pan-Asian community. May Thai, Chinese, Vietnamese food, pero kapansin-pansin ang isang Hawaiian food booth na nagsilbi ng adobo.
This is our first year here, so we decided just to bring one dish that everyone knows, one main Filipino dish besides lumpia, and we just brought in pork adobo. It's like any other regular adobo, but we add more suka, so it's more tangy. And yeah, it's just a dish that everyone kind of knows. Something different than lumpia. Everyone loves it.
Taon-taon namang naghahanda ng pagkaing Pinoy ang Orientex booth.
We are Ramar Foods, and Ramar Foods has been in the business for 40 years. Started in 1969, and we manufacture all our products. Even though it's raining so hard, the line was so long, very busy. Of course, our lumpia and pork barbecue, and also the siopao. Those are the main that the Asian would like to eat. Yung lumpia Orientex, siopao is called Best Days, and pork barbecue is Turo Turo Gourmet. It's so easy to eat lumpia and pork barbecue. It's in the stick. And the siopao, you can just eat it by your hand.
Kaya naman kahit basa sa ulan ang mga dumalo sa pagdiriwang sa Wilson Park sa Torrance, California, pusog naman ang lahat.
I'm used to the Filipino foods because my mom, she usually comes over and makes dinner. We go out to eat Filipino food. It's my culture. And so we ordered the siopao, also the lumpia, and my son had the beef stick. And the food is delicious. It's very good.
Yes, I agree. I'm not Filipino, but I eat a lot of Filipino food from my mother and father-in-law, and it's very delicious.